Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and today I am doing the drawing for the giveaway, the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. And if you've entered, you needed to put in the comment 3,000. My comment picker doesn't let me do that, put that particular word in. So if it comes up and that wasn't in your comment, the 3,000, it means, I don't know, it means that you don't necessarily want a journal. So I hope. I don't want to do anything wrong, but you know, it's like I have to figure out something, and this is the only thing that I could do is just check and see if you you know, put 3,000 or not on your comment. Okay, so I have this random picker, and I hope you guys can see that. And we'll go from there. So also thank you for everyone who commented. I had over 80 comments, and that's a lot. It's more than I've ever had, I think. So I appreciate all of you for joining in. All right, so here we go. I'm scared. I don't know why. I hope it works, that's why. All right, here we go. Hope you guys can see this. Robin Davis, 8841. Yep, and so she just found this channel, and she's happy to say that she's joined the ranks of 3,000. Congratulations. I love altered file folders and folios. So yes, I do remember your comment, Robin. All right, so you will have to email me your address. Just go into my description. My email address is right there. Send me your address, and as soon as possible, because I want to draw again if I don't hear from you. So I will give you till, let's see what's on my calendar. Today is the 23rd. So I'll give you to, I'm sorry, Friday the 26th. If I don't hear from you then, Friday and Saturday, I will draw a new winner. Okay? So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to go work on my video for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.